Good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, depending on where in the world you're joining us, and thank you for coming to today's presentation. Today's presentation is brought to you by Business Review Webinars and is in conjunction with World Courier. The topic for today's presentation is the growing cost of compliance and the impact on clinical trials. Today's presenters will be Dr. Rudiger Lom, Global Director of Quality and Technical Compliance from World Courier Management Inc. Following on from Dr. Rudiger Lom, you will have Steve Sullivan, who is the founder of CRO Advisors LLC. Before we begin today's presentation, I'd just like to advise you of a few of the tools that are available to you. It's very important that we interact with you as much as possible throughout this session. So as part of today's presentation, we will set aside 15 minutes at the end to actually respond to the questions that you, the audience, have. As you think of those questions, you will notice that you have a questions box on the right-hand side. Simply enter your question into that box. It will come through to us and the administration team, and we will prioritize your question. We will attempt to answer as many questions as possible at the end of the session. Any questions that we are not able to get to, then certainly the team will respond to you post-event. I'd like to just make you all aware that the slides for today's presentation will be available upon request from the World Courier website post-event, details of which I will provide you at the end of the presentation. The recording will also be available within 48 hours through the same process. Dr. Lom, if you're now ready, I have handed control to you, and you may now begin the presentation.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity to present to you the Courier perspective on GXP compliance and risk management. In the next 20 minutes, I want to share with you some thoughts on current and upcoming regulations, both from regulators as well as from the regulated perspective. I will discuss common distribution challenges and finally provide some ideas on how to apply risk management to overcome those challenges.
Dr. Long, would you like to explain to the audience why you're running this particular poll?
Again, I just want to double check if my understanding of the key elements of GXP compliance services is in line with the audience view. I will elaborate on different aspects here and just want to understand if I'm correct with my assumption. Steve, up to you.
Okay. Well, I would just say that compliance is a growing challenge for all of us, and it's not going to get better. I would also say that emerging countries are not going to go away. Their importance will increase as we go forward. So I think we all have a challenge in front of us.